How to log into Quilter account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Quilter login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, choose your login, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Quilter. Now at the top right you will find the option of login, click on it. Now click on the option Quilter Cheviot portal. Now you have to click on this drop down and select your region. Likewise, select your role. For the role section, you're gonna find different options. Select the one and then scroll down. You will find this option, agree terms and accept all cookies. Click on it. Now from here, you have to select your service. Once you select it, click on login. And with that, you will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. You have to provide your credentials, type in your user ID and then password. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Quilter account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.